लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग क्या है, कोलोकेशन है। लाइकली इम्पैक्ट, लाइकली आउटकम, लिमिटेड एक्सेस, लिमिटेड कैपेसिटी, लिमिटेड इंफॉर्मेशन, limited opportunity, limited range, limited resources, linear relationship, literal interpretation, literal meaning, literal sense, literary text, literary tradition, little evidence, little impact, little information, little research, little significance, living conditions, living organism, living standard, local area, local authority, local circumstances, local community, local culture, local economy, local government, local approach, local argument, local conclusion, long duration, long established, longitudinal study, low income, low intensity, low level, low percentage, low priority, low probability, low profile, low quality, low status, low turnover, low unemployment, lower frequency, lower class, main area, main argument, main category, main characteristics, main component, main element, main factor, main feature, main findings, main focus, main function, main issue, main principle, मेन सोर्स, मेन टास्क, मेन थीम। आगे देखते हैं। मेनली कंसर्न, मेंटेन कॉन्टैक्ट, मेजर एडवांटेज, मेजर एरिया, मेजर काउज, मेजर चैलेंज, मेजर चेंज, मेजर कंपोनेंट, मेजर कंसर्न, मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन, मेजर डिसीजन, मेजर डिफरेंस, मेजर फैक्टर, मेजर फीचर, मेजर फोकस, मेजर इम्पैक्ट, मेजर implications, measure influence, measure issue, measure part, measure problem, measure region, measure role, measure shift, measure source, measure theme, make adjustments, make arrangements, make available, make aware, make contact, make a contribution, make explicit, make policy, make provision, make visible, make a comment, make a distinction, make a living, make a prediction, make a recommendation, make a statement, make a transition, make an argument, make an assessment, make an assumption, make an impact, make an impression, make an observation, make a judgment, male dominance। आगे देखते हैं। मैनुअल वर्कर, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर, मार्क्ड कॉन्ट्रास्ट, मार्kedly different, maximum duration, mean score, meaningful way, media coverage, medical assistance, medical treatment, meet criteria, meet expectations, meet a requirement, meet a target, meet an objective, mental health, mental illness, mental state, mental disorder, mental hospital, methodological approach, methodological issue, methodological problem, metropolitan area, middle income, middle management, migrant worker, military action, military force, military power, military service, minimum level, minimum requirement, minimum standard, minimum value, minimum wage, minor change, minor role, minority group, missing data, modern culture, modern method, modern society, modern technology, modified form, modified version, moral dilemma, moral philosophy, moral principle, multiple identities, multiple resources, municipal government, mutual recognition, mutual support, mutual trust, mutual understanding, mutually exclusive। आगे देखते हैं। नैरो डिफिनेशन, नैरो रेंज, नेशनल एवरेज, नेशनल बाउंड्री, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, नेशनल कल्चर, नेशनल इकोनॉमी, नेशनल गवर्नमेंट, नेशनल आइडेंटिटी, नेशनल इनकम, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, नेशनल इंटरेस्ट, नेशनल लैंग्वेज, नेशनल लेजिस्लेशन, नेशनल मार्केट, नेशनल मीडिया, नेशनल मूवमेंट, नेशनल पॉलिसी, नेशनल प्रेस, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी, नेशनल सर्वे, नेटिव स्पीकर, नेचुरल कंडीशंस, नेचुरल डिजास्टर, नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट, नेचुरल हिस्ट्री, नेचुरल लैंग्वेज, नेचुरल लॉ, नेचुरल ऑर्डर, नेचुरल फिलोसफी, नेचुरल प्रोसेस, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, नेचुरल राइट, नेचुरल साइंस, नेचुरल टेंडेंसी, नेचुरल वर्ल्ड। आगे देखते हैं। नेचुरली ऑकरिंग, नेसेसरी इंफॉर्मेशन, नेगेटिव एक्सपेक्ट, नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड, negative connotations, negative consequences, negative correlation, negative effect, negative feedback, negative impact, negative outcome, negative side, negative stereotype, negative value, negative view, negatively correlated, new initiative, new insight, new perspective, newly acquired, newly created, newly discovered, newly emerging, newly established, newly formed, next decade, next generation, next phase, normal conditions, normal development, normal distribution, normal practice, notable exceptions, nuclear energy, nuclear family, nuclear power, nuclear war, nuclear weapon। आगे देखते हैं, न्यूमेरिकल डाटा, न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू, numerous studies, objective criteria, objective reality, obtain data, obtain information, obtain a result, obvious difference, obvious example, obvious point, obvious reason, occur frequently, occur naturally, offer insight, offer an opportunity, official statistics, once established, ongoing debate, ongoing process, online access, online database, online journal, online version, open access, opening chapter, opening section, opinion leader, optimal solution, oral history, oral presentation, organizing principle, organizational structure, original author, original context, original data, original intent, original meaning, original model, original position, original research, original source, original text, original version, original work, originally developed, originally intended, overall aim, overall effect, overall label, overall performance, overall picture, overall rate, overall structure, overwhelming majority, fair employment, paramount importance, particular area, particular aspect, particular emphasis, particular feature, particular focus, particular individual, particular meaning। आगे देखते हैं, particularly acute, particularly apparent, particularly appropriate, particularly concerned, particularly effective, particularly evident, particularly influential, particularly relevant, particularly sensitive, particularly significant, particularly striking, particularly successful, particularly suited, particularly useful, particularly valuable, partly responsible, party leader, past research, peace treaty, perceived importance, perceived need, perceived threat, perform a function, perform a study, perform task, personal choice, personal circumstances, personal communication, personal contact, personal control, personal experience, personal information, personal interest, personal knowledge, personal quality, personal relationship, personal responsibility, personal safety, personal space, physical activity, physical appearance, physical characteristics, physical contact, physical development, physical environment, physical features, physical health, physical needs, physical presence, physical properties, physical proximity, physical science, physical space, physical symptom, physical world, pilot study, pioneering work, pivotal role, place emphasis, planning stage, plausible explanation, play a role, political activism, political activity, political agenda, political arena, political authority, political circumstances, political climate, political conflict, political consciousness, political consensus, political consequences, political consideration, political context, political culture, political debate, political dimension, political economy, political environment, political factors, political identity, political ideology, political implications, political stability, political institution, political leader। आगे देखते हैं, political mobilization, political movement, political organization, political participation, political party, political philosophy, political reality, political reform, political representation, political significance, political spectrum, political stability, political status, political structure, politically correct, politically motivated, poorly understood, popular culture, popular media, pose a challenge, pose problem, pose question, pose threat, positive action, positive aspect, positive attitude, positive connotation, positive correlation, positive discrimination, positive effect, positive feature। आगे देखते हैं, पॉजिटिव फीडबैक, पॉजिटिव इमेज, पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट, पॉजिटिव इन्फ्लुएंस, पॉजिटिव आउटकम, पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप, पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, पॉजिटिव व्यू, पॉजिटिवली एसोसिएटेड, पॉजिटिवली कोरिलेटेड, पॉसिबल कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, पॉसिबल एक्सप्लेनेशन, पॉसिबल आउटकम, पॉसिबल सोर्स, potential benefits, potential conflict, potential customer, potential harm, potential impact, potential problem, potential risk, potential source, potential value, potentially dangerous, powerful force, powerful group, powerful influence, powerful tool. Practical consideration, practical difficulties, practical issue, practical significance. Preceding chapter, preceding discussion, preceding section. Precise definition, precise nature, predictive power, preferential treatment, preliminary data, preliminary findings, preliminary result. Premature death, present context, present data, present difficulties, present evidence, present challenge, present a summary, present an argument. Presidential election, previous chapter, previous decade, previous discussion, previous experience, previous generation, previous knowledge, previous paragraph, previous part, previous research, previous section, previous study, previous work. Previously described, previously discussed, previously known, previously mentioned, previously thought. Primarily concerned, primarily responsible. Primary aim, primary care, primary concern, primary data, primary education, primary focus, primary concern, primary objective, primary purpose, primary region, primary research, primary responsibility, primary source, primary task. Prime example, prime time, principal, source, आगे देखते हैं. Prior experience, prior knowledge, private individual, private investment, private sector, private sphere, privileged position, problem area, process data, process information, professional activity, professional body, professional colleague, professional development, professional experience, professional knowledge, professional practice, professional qualification, professional staff, professional standard, professional status, professional support, professional training, professional work. आगे देखते हैं. Profound effect, profound impact, prominent feature, prominent member, prominent role, promote equality, promote development, properly understood, proposed legislation, prove successful, prove useful, provide access, provide assistance, provide career, provide context, provide coverage, provide data, provide evidence, provide feedback, provide guidance, provide information, provide material, provide resources, provide support, provide feedback, provide insight, provide a benefit, provide a clue, provide a focus, provide a foundation, provide a service, provide a source, provide a summary, provide an alternative, provide an example, provide an explanation, provide an illustration, provide an indication, provide an opportunity, provide an overview. आगे देखते हैं. Public access, public administration, public attitudes, public authority, public awareness, public debate,